All right. So, good morning, traders. Winston Goodsir, aka Mr. Mayor Forex Trading. All right, so I've been offline for the last 2 weeks, trying something just to see what will happen if I don't stick to my rules that I've been sticking to so religiously. And I have to say, not a good idea. Not a good idea at all. At all. For the last year, 2 years, I've been religiously sticking to my trading rules that I have. Before the strategy that I use now, I had a different strategy that I used as well. But I found this new strategy of mine that I've been trading with for the last 2 years to be much better. So I decided, what will happen if I, skip one rule or skip one thing? And I have to say, this account was basically up to $76. It is all the way back down to, I'm going to show you guys, and this is the one and only time I'm going to show you guys, right down to $19. All right, so now you guys can see. So I'm going to start from this again because some people say I didn't have $30 in my account. So now you can see this is what I have. It is a live account. It's on MT5. So it's not a hacked account or whatever you want to call it. People do. I don't have the knowledge for that in any ways to do that. So I'll just do it the right way. It's a live trading account. My broker is Tickmill, of course. So it's a live account, and this is where it is now. All right. So this is what happens if you. This is what happens if I don't stick to my rules. I've got a couple of rules to enter a trade. And this is what happens. Go from 78 or 70, well, 77, something around there, right down to 19. All right. So it is important to stick to rules. Whatever trading style you are trading at, stick to it. If you move away from it, you are just going to lose money. There is a perfect example. All right. So let's go through this quickly. My trading for the week and for the rest of the week and maybe into next week. Gold, I want to look at gold now. Gold at the moment, I missed the opportunity to jump in there, but it's fine. I keep on forgetting about gold because I'm looking at other things. Now, with the uncertainty of the banks in the US and with the uncertainty of the US dollar itself, more and more countries are moving away from the dollar standard. If you look at previous years, more than 71% of the world had US dollars as their reserve currency. Now that has gone right down to just 41% of countries in the world holding US dollars as a reserve currency, which means the dollar is devaluing by the day. Which means that people are going to more look at gold than anything else. With the interest rates of the US being so high and gold still going up, gold is still moving up with higher interest rates, golds are still going up, means that people are not falling for this interest rate hikes that the Fed is doing, which means that there is a much higher interest in gold because of the uncertainty of the dollar. The uncertainty of the global market basically means that a lot more people are going to buy metal, gold, silver, platinum, oil, those things. All right. That's why the gold is going to go up. Now the gold is at the all-time high. I'm just going to explain gold quickly in detail, and then I'm going to tell you guys what I'm looking for when it comes to the gold. So the gold is knocking on this all-time high. Now you can see it's been here a couple times. Now this was in 2020. It's knocked there, got rejected. As in 2021, it knocked there, it got rejected. Now we're in 2023 and it's knocking there and it's showing some forms of rejection. Now we might see it come back down maybe to this level over here, the 1800s. Let me just change this color here to red so you guys can not get confused there, because that is a red one. So it's getting blocked here. Sellers don't actually want the price to go past it, but what I'm waiting for is a break above this all-time high. If we can get a break above this and a retest of this area, that will give me a strong indication of gold shooting up to the possibilities are endless, are absolutely endless, especially with the uncertainty of the global markets. A lot of people around the world are heading and grabbing gold because it is the only stable, tradable currency there is. So for gold, I'm going to keep an eye on it. It's at this all-time high. I'm going to keep an eye on it. If I do see rejection going on, then like I see here, there is some rejection, but it is building up and building up. If I see a break of this zone over here, let me just move this nicely. If I see a break and a retest, I will definitely jump into the gold and take it potentially up to the 2100, 2200. You never know where gold is going to end, but it looks like it's going to head up for a strong uptrend. Strong buy, but we'll keep an eye on it. Also, what I am doing is I'm keeping an eye on the SPY and the Dow. The how can I say it? The only stocks that I basically trade is the US 30 and the US 500. So this is the only stocks that I'm trading when it comes to stocks, global stocks. I don't go and specifically trade Tesla or Coke or any of those. I like to take, like, the US 30 is basically 30 of the top companies combined into one asset. US 500, same. SPY is just a lot of countries, 500 countries combined into one. Companies combined into one. That's the only stocks I trade. Now, with the uncertainty of the dollar and the devaluation of the dollar, means the value of companies are also going to go down. So I'm keeping an eye on it to see if we can get a positive break below, not just a little peak out and up. This is a nice liquidity grab over here. Not just a little peak, but a nice solid break to the downside. And this is what I'm hoping for. So for now, I've got the Euro Yen open because the Euro is doing good. If you look at COTs, Euro is a strong buy. A lot of traders, commitment of traders say Euro strong buy, Yen strong sell. So this is what we are waiting for, and this is why I am in a buy position on this. I waited for the retest on this zone. I saw this is a nice trend line over there. It is currently trending higher, so this is what I am busy with at the moment. I saw it coming back, rejecting, and that's why with that one I jumped into the trade, and I am in a buy position hoping to get it up all the way to there. Now, yeah, that's my trading for the week. The rest of the currencies or the pairs are not at a respectable level yet, but I will let you guys know. I'll post more videos and keep you guys updated. From my side, please share these videos. Join the Facebook page. It's called Forex Hangout, and I'll see you guys again. Cheers.